With over 80 specially developed baskets, the practice-optimized treatment chamber of the Melatherm 10 can be matched to the individual needs of a gynecological clinic. You can decontaminate up to 8 Crystella or 16 Cusco specula in one Flex Basket specula to achieve even better drying results. Crystella specula can be placed in the basket at a slight angle. Cusco or Sem specula are opened and hung over the longitudinal struts. Flex Basket 6 provides space for further instruments. 2 Flex Basket specula can be stacked on a Flex Basket 6 to make efficient use of the practice-optimized treatment chamber.